Okay, so let's simulate the mass objects to represent the construction pit, final excavation, and what volume should be filled after we finish our project, and what volume should be cut out for construction part. So let's simulate this part also with mass objects, and we will be able to compare the results. So for this reason I will create mass objects. So let's place mass. So let's go to library and let's select just simple mass as the box. And let's put it here. So the mass weight will be 4 meters by 4 meters, and the depth also 4 meters. But for height it will be 2 meters 300. So we have 300 for building pad and 2 meters for the cutout in the ground. So let's use it as option 1 and mass 0 1. So let's say it's finish part, but for comparison reasons let's use it as construction. Let's use construction and offset. Let's check out how it looks like. Yep, so we should move it down. Now it looks okay. And the material, let's change material and let's select the phase materials, and this part will be for finish. So from here you see gross volume for this finish part should be 36.8 cubic meters. Okay, let's model in place the pit, construction pit. Okay, so for this one I will use lines, model lines from this model. Okay, and also model lines. Okay, so I have objects created here, and I should move this part down by 2 meters. Let's unconstrain it, 2 meters. And okay, let's select one and solid form. So I have a solid form, and here this is construction pit, and I need to put additional part for the building pad cut out. So I select this part and just create additional one, 300, and select all this part and change material. Construction. Okay, and click finish and select this one and okay, option 1 and mass 02, and let's leave it construction. So here I can see for this part to cut out from the ground I should cut out 79.467 cubic meters ground to cut out. Now let's make copy and let's move. Let's move this building area here, and let's now just use cut tool and let's cut it out. And after cut is done, you can see the filling up after the construction is finished is 42.667 cubic meters. So to fill up to cut out all the construction pit, I should take out this amount of ground. After construction, I should fill up this amount of ground. And for final cut out from the ground, I should cut out 36.8 cubic meters. So let's check the results, how Revit calculates all these results.